In this video today, we will see how to make space free in your iPhone that is used by the application. For that one, I will go to settings at first. I will go to general. I will go to iPhone storage, and then I just need to wait for a few seconds, and here I can see which applications have used most of the space in my iPhone. For example, if you see photos, they have used 13.72 gigabyte. So this application has used most of the space. After that, it is Cam Scanner. Now what I can do is I can go to these photos, and then from here I can enable this option, iCloud Photos. I can enable it and enable iCloud Photos. Now right now I don't have iCloud storage, but if you have iCloud storage and if you enable this option, then what happens? All the photos that are present in the photo gallery will be backed up to the iCloud, and then you can delete it from your iPhone gallery so that space can be created. Now one more thing, there is an option here, recently deleted album. So right now there is 378.4 megabyte of photos and videos that are in recently deleted album. So if I select empty, this space will be added to my iPhone storage. And one more option is here at the bottom, review personal videos. You can select it, and from here you can see all the videos that are present in your iPhone and that is taking up more space. So you can select the videos and delete if you don't want, and can make space free that is used by the Photos application. Now after that, the second application which was taking up most space was this Cam Scanner. I can open it, and it will show me all the documents that I have scanned, and it is present in the Cam Scanner application. So if I don't need any documents, and if I have to delete it, I will just swipe it to the left and then remove. So in this way, remove the documents which you don't need and make space free. If in case you can't make space free that is used by the application, then in that case you have to delete the application itself. Suppose if I don't need this application, I will uninstall it so that the space that is used by the application will be free. So the last thing that you can do is you can go to settings here, you can go to the name at the top here, go to iCloud. Now here you will see the applications that is currently using iCloud to back up the data. I can select this option, show all, and if you see any applications that is not using iCloud to backup, then you can enable that application. For example, I can go inside this one, and if it is not enabled, you can select this option, sync this iPhone, so that all the data of the application will be backed up to the iCloud, and then you can delete the data from the application, which also makes space free in your iPhone. And the last thing is, songs also takes up a lot of space, so check all the songs that you have in your iPhone and then delete the songs that you don't need. For deleting music, what you do is you have to go to this music application, and I have some songs here. I have an album here inside which I have many other songs. So if I don't need any song, I will just swipe this song to the left and delete it from the music library. And in this way also you can gain some more space in your iPhone.